up, guys? Got another video for y'all today. I know I said a couple videos ago that I was going to go and do some test hits and everything now that we got the traction control, everything like that sorted. So that is going to be what all we're doing today. I do have a little bit of a bonus for you guys to do too. I ordered this thing called Draggy from Real Street Performance, and basically what it kind of is a cheap V-box. Basically, it goes and tells you 0 to 60 times, 0 to 130, what your quarter mile is, what your half mile is, things like that. So we're going to play around with that a little bit today too, and just kind of show you guys what all you get in the box. So we got our instruction manual here, which is super simple. You have the charging cable. This is the actual Draggy unit, and this here is one of the magnetic mounts and stuff that it comes with. And basically all you do for this, mount that in your car, and that just goes and holds on to it. And then you come over here and you open up the Draggy app on your phone. You hit connect. This is already charged, by the way. And then you got this nice bright blue light bulb that comes on, and then it's sending satellite data to Draggy. Wait for this thing to finish uploading, and there you go. Now, and this is honestly probably the one feature that really kind of sold me on the whole unit. You got this right here. So you got your record button right over here. It's got the mile an hour and everything like that right there as well. So you can go and record stuff. If you're looking for what specifically you record, you got all this stuff down here. So you got 0 to 30, 0 to 60, 60 to 130, 0 to 130, 60 to 0, eighth, quarter, half, all that. You guys can read it. You don't need me to read to you. But I also went and purchased this guy from Best Buy. It was like 20 bucks. So that way we can have this thing mounted on the windshield, get some nice footage right like that going out the windshield, kind of give us an extra camera to work with. So yeah, looking forward to playing around with that a little bit. I finally have a day where I am not working on 10,000 different things, and it is not pouring down rain outside. It is absolutely gorgeous right now. We are burning daylight though, so I will be getting out here, get this thing mounted up in the car, making that road trip to Mexico, see if we can get some cool stuff for you guys. So I went ahead and mounted the Draggy unit right down here. I just put one of those little magnetic bases on the steering column cover. I mostly did it right here just because I was worried that if I did need to go and pull this off at some point and I put it up here, it would go and like peel off the vinyl on the actual dash. So just went and put it right there. Should be pretty easy on, easy off. It's still got good satellite connectivity and everything. This, I'm not sure how this is gonna work because this like bounces around an awful lot. So I'm worried that like once we accelerate, it's just gonna bobble. Might be returning that, we'll see. I don't know, to be determined. So I was just going through the footage on the Draggy app, and when I was looking through this stuff, I noticed it only got 2 recordings, and it's like, what the heck, how did it only get 2 of these? The first one was just me fiddling with it, driving through the neighborhood, so there's nothing on there. It's like a 55-second quarter mile or something dumb. And the second one was a first, second gear with the rear end scooting all over the place, and then I grabbed like half a third, got it up to about, needless to say, the only one that I actually have that's usable isn't very good. So sorry in advance. I will get more next time when I actually go to the track. I'll give you guys what I got for now. It is a really cool app. I do like it a lot. I'm really looking forward to using it more. I'll probably swap out the windshield mount, get something a little bit more stable that doesn't bobble around all over the place. But other than that, yeah, it is a really sweet sweet little toy. So I'm glad I got it. If you guys want one, if you want to know more, look up YouTube videos. There's a bunch of them out there. But if you want to go and pick one up, make sure you hit up my buddy Robert over at Real Street. He will get you guys one. Really great price. Ships it super quick. He actually ended up posting it on Facebook, And I saw the post, and I was like, hey, Robert, you still got my credit card on file? Send me one. Boom, done. 5 minutes. It was fantastic. So great service, as always, from Real Street. That's the same people I got my internals and everything for the motor for. So really great group of guys over there. If you guys need anything, be sure to hit them up. I will post a link to their website in the description below. All right, well, that was pretty fun. So I'm not entirely sure if the traction control works or not. It felt like it came on the first few hits, and then the last few, I don't know, just like the rear end was scooting around all over the place. So I don't know, maybe it's just driver mod. I'm sure it's just me trying to get used to the car, but it felt weird. I mean, it was tracking straight-ish, which is good, but I mean, you were just, yeah, the rear end of the car was definitely all over the place. On the other hand, it didn't pull timing like it did before, which leads me to believe that the wheel speed sensors are in fact working, and maybe it's good. I don't know. More testing is required. We shall see. Sun's about down, which means it's about 10 o'clock at night, so I'm going to get inside, get to editing this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I really do appreciate it, and I hope I'm bringing you guys stuff that you do enjoy watching and things like that. So if you did like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please leave that in the section below. I will see y'all very soon in the next video. Catch you next time.